In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Bolt.New to Netlify. By the end, you'll have your Bolt workspace connected to your Netlify account so you can streamline deployments without jumping between tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to Bolt.New. Give the page a second to load. You'll see the app interface, and up in the top left corner, there's a small profile icon, often your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where Bolt centralizes all the configuration for your account, including integrations. Inside Settings, look for the Applications section. If you don't land there immediately, click over to the Applications tab. This page lists all the services Bolt can connect to. We're interested in Netlify, so scroll until you find the Netlify tile. If the list is long, a quick page search can help you jump right to it. Once you've located Netlify, click Connect. Bolt may ask you to confirm that you want to connect this application. If you see another Connect button or a confirmation prompt, go ahead and click it again. This simply prepares Bolt to request permission from Netlify on your behalf. You'll then be redirected to a Netlify authorization screen. Here, Netlify shows you the permissions Bolt is requesting. Review the details, especially if you belong to multiple teams or organizations. There's often an option to pick the right workspace before authorizing. When everything looks good, click Authorize to grant access. If you aren't signed in to Netlify yet, you may be prompted to log in first. Also, if nothing appears, check that your browser isn't blocking the redirect or pop-ups. After you authorize, you'll be sent back to Bolt automatically. On the Applications page, Netlify should now show as connected. That's your confirmation that the link is active. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page. From here on, Bolt can interact with your Netlify account based on the permissions you just granted, making it easier to deploy or manage projects from within your Bolt workflow. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're using the correct accounts in both tools, and if you ever need to revoke access or switch teams, you can return to the Applications section in Bolt to disconnect and reconnect. Finally, remember that permissions are controlled on the Netlify side too. So if you don't see the sites you expect, double check your Netlify team membership. And that's it. You've successfully linked Bolt.New to Netlify.